Stockholm World Water Week 2022. World Water Week is a water conference held in Stockholm. It is hosted by SeaWe. In 2022, it was conducted between August 23 and September 1. The theme of World Water Week 2022. Seeing the Unseen. The Value of Water. The theme focuses on three main aspects. They are as follows. Value of water among the people and in development. Importance of water in climate change and nature. Economic value and financial value of water. About World Water Week. It was first conducted in 1991. During the week, experts discuss the programs focusing on Sustainable Development Goal 6. SDG 6, to ensure water access to all. The primary purpose of celebrating the week is to spread awareness of the water crisis. The focus of 2022 World Water Week. This year, the week was observed focusing on the following. UN Water Conference, 2023. World Toilet Day, 2023. Significance of water and sanitation in society. Why is the week celebrated? It is celebrated to address the water scarcity issues. The week is also celebrated to find out the impact of the water crisis on poverty, biodiversity, climate change, food security, and health. Prizes distributed. Stockholm Water Prize. The world-famous Stockholm Water Prize is awarded during World Water Week. SeaWe presents the prize. The prize winner is announced on World Water Day celebrated on March 22. In 2022, the prize was won by Wilfred Brutsart. Wilfred received the award for his work on effects of climate change on water resources and local rainfall. He provided a tool to predict the availability of water resources in the future and also to measure the local rainfall. The other prizes distributed during the week are Stockholm Industry Water Award and Stockholm Junior Water Prize. World Water Day. Every year World Water Day is celebrated on March 22. The day is celebrated to spread the significance of freshwater. For many people, being connected and immersed in the digital world is just a part of everyday life.